Hello, did you know that you can make money from other people's videos? Yes, it's true. You can do it on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how in just a few moments.
Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now.
Okay, like I said at the intro, I'm going to show you how you can make money by using other people's videos on YouTube. It's a very simple strategy that can generate a lot of money for you if you're willing to put in the time and effort in order to do this. And it's very simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a few minutes. And you can make a substantial amount of money. And I'm going to show you proof about that here in a few minutes. But yes, you can do it. You can make money.
Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now.
Okay, everybody, so this is what the screen looks like when you get into YouTube. It'll actually look a little bit different for you because it'll pick out different videos for you to watch, and this is something that YouTube does. I have very little control over what I see here. So all right, so I want to get a couple of things off my chest, and I don't mean to be getting angry at anything. It's just a different strategies that people have, and that is when you use about 10 different websites in order to make money. That's a little bit crazy, don't you think? Where you download something from one website and you upload it to another website, hoping and praying that you're going to make money, right? Such as doing small jobs on like Fiverr.com, for instance, where you have a service where you combine pictures and other graphics and then hope and pray that someone will come along and pay you $5 so you can provide a service. The problem with those websites is that it's oversaturated. There are tons and tons of people and only a very small window for you to maybe get on, right? So people have to scroll through all the different jobs. Well, the same thing is happening for all the other types of Fiverr-like websites. So it's really not a good way to make money online when it comes right down to it. If you want to have a sustainable income working from home, doing stuff online, selling, nothing happens until something gets sold, then what you want to really look at is affiliate marketing, okay? But that's not the point of this video. I want to make this very clear because there's another way, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's very simple. If you've not seen my previous video about making money on YouTube, please see that right now. There's the link for it. Go ahead and click on that and watch it. And then come back to this video because this is part 2, I guess you could say. All right, so how you can make money online using YouTube and other people's videos is so simple, okay? It is very easy. First thing you have to decide is what is my channel going to focus on, all right? If it is animal videos, pick that. If it is, something that you're really passionate about. So the first thing that you should do is grab a piece of paper, write down all of your interests, and rate them from 1 to 10. All right? And then go ahead and pick your number 1 interest and then do a search on it. All right? So, for instance, and this is just an example, I'm going to pick downhill skiing. All right? Downhill skiing. This is just an example, guys. So, what you do is you go down here and then you see NBC Sports, Red Bull, and then you see Alex Wigglesworth. Well, what we want to do is kind of drill that down by going over to the filters and then going down to, let's see, view count. All right, we want to know if this is a popular niche. All right, so fifth most insane ski line ever. Okay, 15 million views. All right, GoPro Tanner Hall Ski Diaries 2. 7.4 million. But again, these are big production companies. All right. You can't use those videos. Now, Bob, you said you can use other people's videos to make money. Now you're contradicting yourself. Well, there's a rule. These are copyrighted, all right? I mean, come on. Red Bull. Everybody knows Red Bull if you're a ski nut. Everybody knows GoPro, right? Everybody knows Solomon if you're in skiing, right? So the next thing you want to do is like, okay, well, this looks like it's pretty well covered. Let me see something else. The next thing you want to do is go over to Creative Commons. Let that come up, and you're like going, okay, how come Red Bull did not? This doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It's because these are other people's videos, guys. Downhill is, these are just other people's videos that these people have put up into Creative Commons that you can reuse. Let's double check. Boom. See that? Creative Commons is in bold. It's highlighted, I guess you could say. This means that you can download any of these videos by using a download program. I'm on a Mac, so mine might be different than people on IBM type of machines. But you can download these videos, all right? And what I use, since I'm on a Mac, let's go ahead and take highlights day 7 Alpine Giant Slalom Men. Okay? And that was 2 years ago. That's okay. Let's check it out. It's 24 minutes long. Now, here's the thing. You cannot use the entire video. You can use bits and pieces from it, okay? But you can't use the entire video. You really shouldn't. And if you see anything with watermarks on it, you probably still can't use that video. But you can crop those out and use bits and pieces of the screen. All right? That's cute. All right, so how you download this is very simple. How you download this is very simple. I am on a Mac, and I'm going to show you a program that'll do that. Pause video. Of course, it's chewing up time. Okay. Start video. And I use a program called Click Grab. And you could go, it's a free download. You could go to clickgrab.com and pause video. Just my luck. Restart video here. Okay, so I use a program called clickgrab.com, and you can download this if you're on a Mac, and you can go ahead and use this program. There are other online programs as well. You can do a Google search for how to download a YouTube video or something of that nature, and it'll come up with different apps for that. And then what you want to do is go ahead and copy this. So I'm on a Mac, it's Command Copy, and then go back over to Click Grab, and it's automatically in there, so I don't have to paste it. That's pretty cool. And then hit grab this clip. Once it's downloaded, and it'll take a little bit, once it's downloaded, then you use another program, and I'm on a Mac, so I use iMovie, and I go ahead and I pick out the sections of this video I want, and then go do another one. It's kind of a rinse and repeat. So the next one, grab this, copy the link up here, and go back to Click Grab and grab it. Now, once you have all of those different videos, now you can string them together. And then you can go ahead and chop up the different parts that you want and make an entirely new video that you can re-upload to YouTube. Now, the whole thing about making money online, there's two different parts. Listen carefully. You have to be a member of the YouTube partnership in order to get the advertising revenue. Okay? The advertising revenue. If you're not on the YouTube partnership, another thing that you can do is be an affiliate. Now, let's say you're all about skiing, okay? You can go ahead and go on to Amazon.com and become a partner with them and become an affiliate with them to sell ski wear. All right? And then anybody that clicks on your links that you would put in the description down below, and they go ahead and buy it, then you get a small percentage of the sale. And it is small. Okay? You're not going to make a whole lot of money by doing that. Another thing that you can do is to put other affiliate types of links on there. Hey, if you like skiing and you don't have any money, here's a way that you can make money by doing this, and then put your link there. For instance, if you're an MLSP, for example, my Lead System Pro, where you sell basically instructions on how to market and sell your products online. Okay, so those are some examples that you can do. And yes, what's really cool about doing this strategy is that it's completely free. So I hope you got some great information about this. If you did, please hit that like button down below, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to help you make a lot of money online. So make it a great day, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.